A Philly cheesesteak is on its way. So I started off with white pepper. Then I went in with Malden salt. There you go, just give it a sprinkle. After that, I went in with some garlic powder. This is completely optional. You really only need salt and pepper. I also went in with some Montreal steak seasoning just to give it that grilled, delicious taste. What else? Oh, and then I put cayenne pepper just for some heat. And I went ahead and mix that in just so the meat can get evenly coated. Then I chopped up one bell pepper, one red onion, and I put a little bit of garlic, but not a lot. And I went ahead and sauteed that. Once that got a little fragrant, I went in with some jalapeno peppers and then I sauteed that again and then I put that to the side. Next, I started on my meat. Now you don't want to cook this for too long. You just want to like give it a quick little stir fry kind of. And once it looks like this, or you can still see a little bit of red, you want to go ahead and re-add your veggies that you made. And you want to go ahead and give that a quick stir fry, just like that. Next, you want to make sure you have provolone cheese. So get your provolone cheese out and go ahead and lay that on top of your meat, just like that, and then cover it. Now the heat should be on for maybe like a medium low. Once it fully melts, you want to go ahead and mix it all together. Yeah. And what I like to do is go ahead and get my oven on so I can put my buns inside the oven. Look at that cheese pull. It's going to be amazing. So I had brioche buns and I went ahead and put my meat on top of my brioche buns and I fried up some french fries. And this is the finished product. This was probably one of the best things I've ever eaten and I can't wait to make it again. And my family loved it. I hope you guys like this recipe.